While you're seasoning your jerk pork, you allow your oven to be preheated for 425 degrees. Hello guys, these are the ingredients you're going to need to make jerk pork. First, I'm going to start with my sugar. It's 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, or you can use white sugar. Secondly, it's going to be a half cup of orange juice. Next is going to be 1 chopped onion. Next is 1.5 teaspoon of onion powder. Next is going to be a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Next is going to be 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Next is we're going to add 4 teaspoons of jerk sauce. As you have seen here in the video, I had already put 2, so I'm going to add 2 more. Next, we're going to put 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. One teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but I'm going to use black pepper. One and 3/4 of salt. So now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. Make sure that it is mixed well so that every part of the pork can get all the ingredients. Now that you have finished seasoning your jerk pork, you're going to lower your oven temperature to 325 degrees, and then you're going to cover it with aluminum foil and allow it to bake for 1 hour.